Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a real-time voice changer client. Start by downloading and installing a real-time voice changer client. Many options are available, often with free trials or basic versions. Once installed, ensure your microphone and headphones are properly connected. Then, launch the application and head straight to the audio input and out. In the audio settings, select your actual microphone as the input. For output, choose the virtual audio cable created by the software. This routes your altered voice to other applications. Take a moment to adjust the input sensitivity. This helps filter out unwanted background noise, ensuring your voice comes through clearly and crisply. If you prefer to manage your GOG games directly within Steam, you can add them as non-Steam games. First, open your Steam client. In the top menu bar, click on Games, then choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. A window will appear listing programs on your computer. If your GOG game isn't listed, click Browse to find its executable file. Select the game, click Open, then add selected programs. This creates a convenient shortcut, letting you launch your GOG titles from your Steam library. To use your new voice in other applications, open your chosen communication platform or game. In its audio settings, select the virtual audio cable as your microphone input. This tells the application to use your voice-changed output. Do a quick test in a private call or game lobby to ensure everything sounds perfect before joining a public conversation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.